We think of lightning strikes, we imagine these phenomena descending from the heavens on a sad and dreary day. That's precisely what makes this one, which struck the middle of a schoolyard on a bright and sunny day, so unbelievable, to say the least. On December 7th, 2016, a group of dancers were putting on a show for their classmates when a thunderous bolt of lightning struck just meters away from them. If you look closely, you can actually see the exact spot where the lightning struck in the background. As people run for cover, screams of terror soon filled the atmosphere.